Walmart. Been a while since I went grocery shopping here. Konbanwa. I'm picking up a few groceries, but there's another reason why I'm here specifically at Walmart, because they have a product that I never thought in a million years they would ever sell. And I'm not just talking about here at Walmart, anywhere. Oh my gosh, they actually have it here. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Bacon, what? Cinnadust seasoning blend rub on bacon. This is freaking crazy. This is seriously the most nuts flavor option of any food I've ever seen, and it's on some legit bacon too. I don't buy this often, but this is a Hormel Black Label limited edition. Okay, cinnamon sugar flavored thick cut bacon coated with cinnamon sugar rub. I guess it's not that far off from having maple syrup on your bacon, but still the fact that it's branded this way. While I'm shopping, I thought I'd find all the other Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavors that they have here, or all the foods branded with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, starting with obviously regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This is a new, I don't know what you call this, but football cereal pieces. I've seen this before. Of course, the OG Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I mean, when I say OG, just the regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now you can find this Cinnamon Toast Crunch bacon at other grocery stores. The reason I decided to check Walmart and come here is because the last time I shopped here and vlogged about it, I found a ton of Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavored and branded foods that I'd never seen before. And I was just curious how many different items I can find with the branding on it or flavored by it. Okay, so there's already the bacon, the football brand, the original brand, so that's 3 so far. I'm even gonna find the variations too. So number 4, individual size Cinnamon Toast Crunch little cups. Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the value bag. This is kind of a new thing that I don't remember as a kid. My mom didn't really buy us a lot of sweet cereals growing up, and so Cinnamon Toast Crunch was kind of a special treat, but they definitely didn't have all these snacks that were flavored with Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This one is literally called Cinnamon Toast Crunch Treats. It's not even a breakfast bar, it's straight up just a snack. In the cake section, Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust Coffee Cake Mix. Okay, really? The Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust Frosting. I think I'm gonna have to grab this. There's already some products that aren't here that were here last time, like Cinnamon Toast Crunch syrup for pancakes. I didn't see that this time. I also did not see that frosting last time. Okay, I'm a little afraid, but I'm in the spices section. I have this weird feeling I'm gonna find Cinnamon Toast Crunch in a seasoning form, because that kind of actually makes sense, though it is kind of ridiculous. All right, so I did not see the Cinnamon Toast Crunch seasoning, but to be fair, kind of makes sense. When we make Cinnamon Toast Crunch ice cream, sometimes we'll add extra cinnamon and sugar, obviously, to enhance the Cinnamon Toast Crunch ice cream flavor, because we'll put Cinnamon Toast Crunch in there. So if you just had a bottle of Cinnamon Toast seasoning, that makes total sense, considering a lot of that is how you flavor these unusual Cinnamon Toast Crunch foods. By the way, I apologize for saying Cinnamon Toast Crunch so many times. I'll try to lower the amount of times because it's just crazy how many foods I'm finding today. Okay, so I didn't find the Cinnadust, but look, I found Cinnadust cookie mix, which is basically almost the same thing, except yeah, you can make cookies out of this, but yeah, this is just a bag of Cinnamon Toast Crunch seasoning. Look at this, the combo pack. Cinnamon Toast Crunch treats with a Reese's Puffs treats. This is for the cereal lovers. I found this next to the regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch. French Toast Crunch. That's a first for me. Cinnamon Toast Crunch waffles. The hippie version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch is just called Cinnamon Crunch. I've had this before, it's actually really good. Without really knowing, I kind of know I'm gonna find something in this section. This is the peanut butter and the Nutella, and I'm sure I'm gonna find some kind of Cinnamon Toast Crunch up in here. I think last time I did find some peanut butter that was Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'll be honest though, I'm not finding as many this time as I did last time. This is my favorite cereal in terms of just like your well-known brands. And I've been looking for this one forever. Mini Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You want to get this? Yeah. Can you put it in the cart? Good. Thank you for your help. I've never seen this before, so we're gonna get it. What is this magic Cinnamon Toast Crunch pancake kit? Wow. I'm not gonna buy it, but I'm definitely tempted because this is two kids' favorite breakfast foods together. Pancake and sausage on a stick. Those are little blueberry pieces in the batter, by the way. Stuffed puffs, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, filled marshmallow bites. Yeah, they got it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch waffles, Tres Leches Cinnamon Toast Crunch, gingerbread toast crunch. Interesting. Okay, and this gotta take the frosting here. Cinnamon Toast Crunch loaded cereal. My lordies. They also have the affordable Cinnamon Toast Crunch too. Soft baked oat bars. So yeah, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. If you're a Cinnamon Toast Crunch lover, Walmart's the place.